Hi there, this is Jonathan Ginsberg. I'm a Social Security disability attorney, and today I'd like to talk to you about the implications of spinal stenosis on your Social Security disability case. And I see a lot of cases, a lot of claims where the medical record talks about spinal stenosis, and that is usually an indication that there's something fairly serious going on. And if you're not aware of what it is, stenosis is basically where the spinal canal, basically the bony cover of where the spinal cord runs through, the bones that sort of surround it, where that narrows and it causes impingement on the spinal cord. And this could be caused simply by aging, arthritis, bone spurs. It could be caused by trauma. It could be caused by a herniated disc. But whatever the cause is, what's happening is the spinal cord is being compressed and the nerve conduction is being interfered with. That can cause a lot of symptoms. It can cause pain. Obviously, it can cause limitation of movement. It can cause sciatica, which is a nerve pain that sort of runs down your leg. That's called radiculopathy when that happens. It can make you less mobile. It can just be a symptom of a lot of issues going on. And if you've got spinal stenosis and it's severe, it would limit your capacity to walk, to stand, to sit, to lift, all kind of physical limitations. And of course, if someone's over 50, I would look at the grid rules because again, their capacity to perform physical activity is going to be limited. And if they're younger than 50, then we would look at the functional capacity argument to say that because of severe stenosis and associated medical conditions, whether it's herniated discs or bulging discs or something else, that person's capacity to work, do any sort of work, has been compromised both by the physical limitations as well as what are called non-exertional limitations, and that would be mainly pain. So if you see in your medical record, your doctor tells you that you've got severe stenosis, that suggests that there is something seriously wrong. It's an organic problem, meaning that it will show up on an MRI. It is physically present. It links to your symptoms, so it's not this idiopathic type of condition where we don't know what's causing the pain. You can see on an MRI study that the spinal cord is compromised and that you have bad stenosis, and that can be very, very convincing to a judge. So of course, not every case where there's stenosis means you're disabled, but generally if there's severe stenosis, that gives me some pretty good ammunition to make an argument that my client does not have the capacity to be a reliable employee because of the implications and the likely symptoms, and the symptoms will typically give rise to what you testify about as well, that those symptoms are severe enough to preclude competitive work 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, without excessive breaks or without excessive absences from work, and that's what we're trying to prove. So big picture, spinal stenosis can be a good starting point for a disability case. If you hear that, if you see that in your medical record, it's probably worth looking at the disability option because if you have that, that generally means there's something pretty serious going on. Hope you found this helpful. If you need more information about stenosis or any element of any medical element of Social Security disability, please reach out to me. Happy to try to help you any way I can. If you found this useful, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube and like it on Facebook. Please let me know if I can help you in any way. And until next time, this is Jonathan Ginsberg. Thanks a lot. Hi, this is Jonathan Ginsberg, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about how to win your Social Security disability case, I'd like to invite you to download my Secrets to Getting Approved Early Survival Kit that I created just for people like you. Currently, I'm making the survival kit available at no cost, and I encourage you to grab your copy now. Some of the topics I cover include: how do I know if I have a case? Is it the right time for me to file my claim? 9 common mistakes that can doom your case. The 3 must-have arguments you use to win your case. And a topic that every disability claimant wants to know: how to avoid trick questions from the judge. If you or a loved one need to win Social Security disability benefits, you'll find the survival kit essential reading. Download your survival kit right now and at no cost. Just visit ssdanswers.com/survival and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now. And as always, I wish you the best.